Okay, I'm going to give you an overview of the Turnigy thermometer, infrared laser thermometer. Here's what you get in the box. It comes in this box, packaged like this. First thing you're going to see is the instruction manual. There's some settings in here on how to turn on the laser. Make sure you read this. There's instructions on turning that on and also the backlight. Please be aware that there is a laser emitted and it could damage your eyes, so do not let the laser get into your eyes or anyone else's eyes. It's going to come like this with the batteries, so you'll want to take these out and go ahead and put in your two AAA batteries. So when you first get it, you'll be like, hey, how come there's no laser? So you have to hold this trigger down and push this button to get the laser to come on, and then hold the trigger down and press this button to get the backlight to come on. Now you can take measurements with the laser and with the backlight. To give you an idea of the accuracy of the thermometer we have here, temperature showing 73 degrees on this. So measuring this, we're getting about close to that, 76 or so. So probably a couple degrees off, I wouldn't be surprised. Here's another test I'm going to do with a thing of ice water here. This is showing right at 32, 35 degrees. So there we go, 32 degrees, 31 degrees. This is Fahrenheit ice water. Okay, now here's a hot cup of coffee. It'd take a few seconds for that thermometer to show the correct reading. (150 degrees almost, and we were showing 150 degrees. So maybe a couple of degrees more or less. It's going to depend on the type of surface that you're measuring, but overall I think this is great as a little thermometer. One thing I want to mention though, you should notice the range measurements on here. Notice how your spot beam actually increases the farther out you go. So when you are at 2 meters out, your spot is actually almost 17 centimeters. So it is not the size of this laser beam. You are not actually measuring this laser beam. That is just for your reference. You're actually measuring a spot size that is bigger as you go away. So to measure something close, measure something small, you have to be close into it. Alright, that's all. Okay, I'm going to give you an overview of the Turnigy thermometer, infrared laser thermometer. Here's what you get in the box. It comes in this box, packaged like this. First thing you're going to see is the instruction manual. There's some settings in here on how